Hey guys, you may be wondering what's on my screen here with this free PS4 Max and PS4 Pro save editor wizard for free in 2020. Let me just tell you something. It is categorized as a Trojan. Listen to me. You do not want this at all. In fact, no one does. There are thousands of videos like there's hundreds, not thousands, sorry. Videos like this. Like, look, see, and this is all. This is fake. There's no way that this is real. My Windows
What's good,
Defender,
YouTube?
it
It's your
picked
boy
it up
Kevin, and I'm back
and
with another.
categorized it as a Trojan. So yeah, you guys do not want this on your PC at all. So I don't know. I bet you he paid these guys to comment that on his channel. But I'm gonna go back here. Um,
What's good, YouTube?
and yeah, let's click on this. And I mean, I would show you that this is fake. This is what you'll see on the link. All of them. Okay. You do not want this on your PC. And if you really don't believe me, which you don't have to, it is your loss. It is a Trojan virus. I am telling you, you do not want it at all. You can download it, like, you can unzip it and everything, but why would you do that? It's, yeah, I'm showing you guys right now. Um, this is everything right here. You don't want this at all. This is, yeah, it's bad, guys. Do not listen or pay attention to any of those videos. They are all fake, no matter what they say. This guy, he just copied a YouTube video and put it on his channel. I have no idea why, but you can tell because the real guy is Kevo. This is him. This is the real one. Except it's fake. You know, he's the original creator of all this, and it's a Trojan virus, guys. Just don't download it. That's a warning for you guys, and you guys better follow it unless you want to freak up your PC or laptop, whatever you have. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for this public service announcement. Well, yeah, see ya.